Elias. The payoff. Hit well to right field. This ball is carrying, and it is gone. A 2-run home run for Alex Presley. In his first game this season, and the Pirates jump out in front 2-0.
There's that backspin. Alex Presley, I don't even think he hit this ball all that well, but he just gets through it so well. It takes off and just keeps carrying. And not a big man, but got some big thump in that bat.
I think his teammates appreciate that.
Wow, yeah. Again, this team's been doing it all year long. Jose Tabata goes down. Presley, again, would have been up here if Jose